We've sold more than 20 assets. We've repaid a lot of debt. We've really put this company in the very tough market conditions on a very firm footing. So I think when you look at the work we've done versus where our shares trade, there's a tremendous amount of embedded value there that we just need shareholders to see.
I'm here today with Paul McDowell, President and CEO of Orion Office REIT. Paul, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Where do you see the greatest growth potential for Orion Office REIT in the second half of the year and into 2025?
Well, our challenge at Orion, it's been a historic meltdown in office demand. So since our spin in 2022, our challenge has been really rationalizing our portfolio, which we've been doing over the past couple of years, selling assets that we don't think will produce long-term income, leasing assets to the greatest extent that we can. And we've recycled a tremendous amount of capital in the past few years. And so now we're starting to see in the second half of this year, we're starting to see some opportunities potentially for acquisition. Good pricing with good assets with long duration leases. So I think we've tried to set the company up so that we can take advantage of those opportunities as they arise.
And is there a particular project or initiative currently underway at Orion that you are especially excited about in terms of its ability to generate growth and enhance shareholder value?
Well, I think for us, the goal, as I said, has been to sort of rationalize our portfolio. And I think what the market doesn't understand with respect to Orion is how much work we've really done. We've sold more than 20 assets. We've repaid a lot of debt. We've really put this company in the very tough market conditions on a very firm footing. So I think when you look at the work we've done versus where our shares trade, there's a tremendous amount of embedded value there that we just need shareholders to see.
And how would you describe the macro operating environment for Orion, and how are you positioned to react?
Well, as I said, the office environment has gone through literally a historic meltdown in demand. I like to call it nuclear winter sometimes. So it's a very challenging environment. And one, we sort of saw coming, it's been coming for a while and it's not news. Everyone knows, read the front page of the Wall Street Journal, it's there every day. So what we've done is worked hard to sell vacant properties that we just don't think will release. We've kept our leverage very low. So our debt to EBITDA is 4 times. So we've kept leverage low. We've repaid borrowings. We've tried to position the company on as firm a financial footing as we can so that when the market recovery occurs, as it inevitably will, we'll be in a good position, and we feel like we are.